Habit formation. Is 21 days all it takes? Are you struggling to stick to something consistently? It's true that adapting good habits takes time. You require discipline, courage, and hard work to keep them in place. However, what if you are told that the hard work of adapting habits lasts only for 21 days and it's automatically become a part of your life? Too good to be true, right? Well, we all have heard about 21 days habit theory, but there is a lot of controversy surrounding it. Some say it's a myth, whereas some say it's the reason of their success. We at Intellify will clear all your doubts on why is 21 days a habit. Theory. The 21 days theory was introduced by Maxwell Maltz, a physical surgeon. He discovered that if a person goes through face operation, it takes 21 days to get used to their new face. You take another example. If you started wearing specs, then at first it would look awkward and you will feel distracted. But after some time you will get used to it. So Maxwell found that it's take 21 days to get used to new things. He found the conclusion that it takes a minimum of 21 days in dissolving an old mental image and new one to gel up. Soon his word spread around people and it was shortened and concluded to it takes 21 days to form a habit. The words which are followed by people till now. The truth. Now you all got to know the theory behind 21 days. So it is accurate and should you believe it? Well, we can tell you that after working on a habit for 21 days, it will get embedded in our daily routine without having any worry about it again. Any habit will be embedded in your daily life only if you do it by heart. Just doing it for the sake of 21 days theory won't change your life. Moreover, study in the European Journal of Social Psychology analyzed the habit of 96 people over 12 weeks. After the recording the data, it was found that it takes at least 2 months, to be exact 66 days to change a habit into a daily routine. For some people it can vary, thus it solely depends on your courage and hard work. Brushing teeth, bathing, and going to school are some of the routines of habit which we have developed over year. We can never forget them because it is completely merged into our daily routine. We can also say we are compelled to do so, but you can't form a habit if you don't motivate or push yourself. Self motivation is always the key to success. Should you ignore it completely? Yes or no? No one hand, it's good to work consistently on something in the beginning, and who knows that after 21 days your habit will stick. It is proven fact that habits do change into routines no matter how unlikely it seems to. But never just depend on 21 days. You must work hard after that also. Remember, forming a habit is an all or nothing process and you can mess up sometime as long as you keep trying hard. You can't ignore the 21 days theory completely, but you cannot even solely depend on it. If you are working hard on particular habit for the 21 days, then it is not at all a scientific fact that it will change into routines. Forming a new habit depends on how difficult the habit is, the kind of person you are, and also a lot of time comes down to your environment and surroundings. Let us take a very simple example. We all have tried switching to healthy diet, but we are able to do so? My answer to this question is completely no. In the starting days, for almost a month, we worked hard to maintain healthy diet. But what after that? We have completed the 21 days theory, but still that habit does not become our daily routine. After a few days or few months, we again switch to junk food. You also have to push yourself to adapt good habits. Some people are able to maintain an healthy diet for long, sportsmen, actors, but some are not able to. So, forming a habit always depends on your courage and priorities. How you should use it. Commit yourself to working hard for those 21 days at least. The start is often the hardest, so sticking to your habit for the first 3 weeks could make or break your success for the year. However, if on days 22 you still feel like you have to drag yourself out of bed, don't worry and don't give up. It might take longer, but that time will pass anyway. You can waste it wishing or make every second count working. Habit takes time and come down to daily commitment and hard work. It's worth it. You will see. For more such life changing videos, subscribe to our channel. Work hard and all the best.